I thought I'd do a quick unboxing on the Icon Elsinore boots. Had a quick look online. There's a couple of reviews of, there's actually quite a few reviews of the old one, but not many of the new one, and I thought I'd just share from my perspective. I'm not a store, I'm not trying to sell them, so I thought I'd show everyone. So I ordered these yesterday actually from Iron and Resin Garage in Currumbin, Queensland. They're a cool little cafe motorbike accessory store. They got a whole bunch of boots and jackets and stuff like that, helmets, some really cool stuff, retro stuff, bit kind of off-road dirty vibe. One of the things that I love about that place is the food. So they do this steak sandwich. It's such an awesome steak sandwich. The other cool thing about them is if you don't eat gluten, their gluten-free bread for their steak sandwich is amazing. I would definitely, if you're ever riding through the area or you're in the area, definitely pop in there, give them a look. But yeah, I just did want to talk about how awesome it was that I ordered it yesterday, from yesterday morning, and it's here today. In this current climate, it's really hard to get anything that quick. This way. So this is the box. I think I ordered a size 11 US, 10.5 UK. Here we are. Oh, give me a couple of stickers. Awesome. I got these two already. This one I don't have. Put that there. Isn't right. Cheers for your order. Cool. Discount off my next order. That's very nice. I actually was dealing with these guys for a while, trying to get this boot in black. They had some brown ones, but they sell pretty quick. Oh wow. First glance, it's pretty full on. They are quite solid flex-wise here. You got the PU hardened there. These are the buckles. The buckles, apparently you adjust them once, and the cool thing about the boot is you get in and out through this zipper on this side. This has almost like a velvety feel. I don't know if you can see it. The other thing I was concerned about in the photos and in the reviews is the stitching. The stitching looked like it was a bit too white on the black. In person though, it's kind of like a dark gray, so it actually looks really nice in person, even better than on the website. So here we are, opens in here. That's the new inside. Oh, look at that, it's got, if you can see, it's got the Icon logo in there. It's got D3O, ankle protection. Look at the sole. Let's check out the other one. Hopefully it'll be exactly the same, but mirrored. Awesome, no surprises there. This looks like it's never even been tried on in the shop or anything, so that's really cool. Flex-wise, yeah, it's flexible. I mean, I'm not a dirt rider. I pretty much bought these mainly because they look cool. I know that people are like, oh, you gotta buy for function, but I ride a bike because it looks cool. I started riding it because I saw people and I thought they look cool. So, here we go. Thank you very much. If you like my review, please like this video, subscribe and shit and whatever, and then hopefully I can do some more.